Good day, everyone. In one of the books I use when I need to filter rows where, for example, age is greater than or equal to 30, I will use expression like this, data frame, square brackets, and then in there, I put, let's say, data frame, and then indicate which column, in this case, will be the age greater or equal to 30, and then it will give me a result like this. But then when I look into another book. Pretty neat. There is a method called df.query, and then in there you can put the query expression in there. Okay, so the query expression is pretty much similar to a kind of SQL language. Okay, if you want to think it that way. Okay, yeah. So let me show you a few more examples. Okay, yeah. So give me a minute. There you go. So this is the sample data frame. Okay, and then you can see that it has kind of three columns: name, age, city, and then assume that I want to use this more traditional approach of filtering out data. Okay, yeah. So give me a minute. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah. So I will say, hey, result one will be getting the result from this df, then color name, then greater than equal to 30. And then if I run it, there you go. Okay, so you can see that all the kind of rows having the age value greater than equal to 30 will be displayed, which is correct. Okay, however, I mentioned that the another method will be the query. Okay, yeah. So let me comment this one out. Okay, and then uncomment this one. Okay, there you go. And then it will be the syntax will be the data frame name followed by the chain a meta query, and then in there you have to make sure you put a pair of single quotes. Okay, yeah, and then you in there then you put the color name, and then the kind of comparison operator, in this case greater equal to 30, and then store the result back to result, print it out. Okay, so let's check it out. It's pretty neat. Okay, pretty neat. So again, which method you would prefer to use is really up to you, but then I just wanted to let you know that there is a method called query. Is pretty user friendly as well. Okay, so how about another example? Okay, so in this case, you can see that the query string consists of the logical operator and. Okay, yeah. So hey, give me the rows with the age value greater than equal to 30, but at the same time, for the kind of the city, okay, yeah, for the value under the city column, will be equal to New York. Okay, yeah. So let me run it first. Okay, there you go. Okay, so it correctly retrieve, kind of retrieve this road. Okay, yeah. But then one thing I wanted to point out is that for kind of this string value, okay, yeah, string color name, then you have to use these kind of double quotes, double quotes to pair them up. Okay, yeah. And then for integer value is fine. You just put 30 in there. Okay, yeah, pretty neat. Next example. Okay, so in case that maybe instead of hard code the value 30 like this, I mean you can store the value 30 into a variable called age underscore threshold, and then in your query string query expression, it will be kind of the same. The outermost one will be the pair of single quotes, but then in the second operand after the comparison operator, then in that case, then you will proceed the variable name with a circle A. Okay, yeah. So let me run it. There you go. Okay, it's pretty neat. Okay, pretty neat. And then similarly, you can also use different kind of operator like this in membership operator. If you want to together with the variable, yeah, cities. So in that case again, in the city you store a list of 2 city names. Yeah, having two city names, and then in the in operator, after the in operator, make sure you use the circle A. Okay, the values in there will be retrieved. Okay, so let me run it. Okay, yeah, let me run it again. So again, it's pretty interesting and pretty user friendly. Okay, yeah. So which one you prefer to use? Okay, yeah, it really I mean, depends on your personal preference. Okay, for me, I found out that I found out that I use this query method a lot. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me stop the recording. Yep.